Hey guys, it's Seaboard 1321. We're here at the Waterville depot along the old cloverleaf line at Toledo, Erie and Western Railway. We got the pedal cart here. Got me and Evan in our work clothes. And we're going to pedal cart down the line to the old, where the train is stored at. So,
I'll see you guys.
Alright, we'll be back. So, yeah, this thing probably have to go slower here through the crossings, but this is pretty convenient. Got a brake, got a emergency horn. I don't know. Alright. So, we're off. Alright guys, we're about 2.5, maybe 3 miles out of Waterville on the pedal cart. A little tired, not by much. Got the horn, there's a crossing up there. Pretty weedy right here. Weed spray. There you go. Weed spray hasn't been through here, but said someone's going to...
It was, a couple months ago.
Oh, yeah, well that's what a couple months does without weed spraying.
True.
So, stopping for a water break. Okay, that's where we came from, down there.
Take your pick.
Oh boy.
Yeah, water, and
oh, it's your duct tape. That's my favorite. I'm not just kidding.
I hope you're not filming.
I'm filming. Gotta hydrate. Then when you're working out on the TLEW, or CN for now, you know, you gotta keep hydrated as a maintenance away crew. So we're gonna go down to, what's the name of that road where the train's stored?
Yalberg Road.
Alright, we're back here. Done about, like, what, 6 or 7 miles? About that. Coming up to the gated crossing. We're gonna have to stop here. The Alco is way down there. Probably a little over a mile, but we're getting close to it. These weeds right now, these aren't bad at all compared to what we've been having. It's been pretty rough. So, there's the relay box up there. Yeah. It's a rough crossing, it looks like. Alright, we're clear left, clear right. Alright, so yeah, that's what it looks like. Here's Austin on the cab of our Alco S4, number 5109. We are taking our first gen K5 LA off and putting it in storage for safety. Just don't want anything happening to it. That's getting there. Yep. The rest of our passenger cars are awaiting restoration. Hopefully we'll be running our train next year at the Toledo, Erie and Western Railway. Working on the TLEW.